So this day is a very interesting day for us. We are members of we are Gaudiya Vaishnavas. We worship Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Even the Hindi Panchang, like Hindi calendar, we read a little bit slowly Hindi, dire dire, and there it says, it tells the day and so many things in this calendar, what nakshatras and transits and all these things, and then it says some particular Mahapurush's Avirbhav or Tirobhav, or some, today is Kurma Jayanti or Krishna Jayanti, some holy day. So it says some things, then it says A, like a footnote. And you look in the footnote, and many things are in the footnote. In the footnote it says, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Jayanti. There is some little mention there. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Jayanti, which means this is the birthday of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So he's even made the Hindi Panchang. He's so famous. He's such a Mahapurush. This is what the general Hindi people think. But our scriptures, and we have so many Puranas and Upanishads to explain the divinity of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, which we accept and which we follow. For us who are worshippers of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, we say that he is actually Bhagavan Sri Krishna, Swayam Bhagavan Sri Krishna, non-different. And not only is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Bhagavan Sri Krishna, but he is the sum total of all the Shaktis of Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Srimati Radharani. Srimati Radharani is Krishna's Shakti, Shakti Shaktiman, power and powerful, energy and energetic. The energetic is Krishna. Like we have Shiv and Parvati, Shiv and Shakti, Sita and Ram, Lakshmi Narayan. It's energy, Shakti, and energetic. Purusha and Prakriti. This is the transcendence. So Radharani represents all the Prakriti, all the spiritual potency of Bhagavan Sri Krishna.